Hey guys, Sam here with KWA Insider. I hope you're staying home, staying safe. Today we've got an awesome episode for you guys, let you know how KWA has been responding to the pandemic, and also some more training information for you. So a lot's going on in the world. We've got people staying at home, but also we're seeing an influx of first-time gun owners. That's awesome and we're all for it, but we want to make sure these people are staying home and staying safe while they're practicing. I know myself, I've been dying to go to the range, but unfortunately I can't. So what can I do at home to be prepared for when I can go to the range? Well, there's a lot of training that I can do, and KWA has provided and set up these packages so that we can start training at home. Alright, so we've got 3 new training kits coming out, the M9, ATP, and 1911. These come bundled with green gas, BBs, and targets. You can pick up targets in 3, 6, or 12. I personally picked up the 1911 platform, so I've got that along with 6 targets. What I'm able to do is set them up in my home and do some dry firing inside. If I've got some space outdoors, then I set up the targets, I load up my mags with some BBs, and I get some target practice in. Today, what I have for you guys is the ATP version. This platform is one of our affordable platforms and it's amazing. It really helps you get a feel for a Glock. All of these training kits are super effective in helping you guys train at home for the real steel platforms. Whether it's Glock, Beretta, or any 1911 brand, you guys will be able to effectively know how to safely use these platforms at the range or when you go out for target practice. The awesome thing about all of them is that the weight is super real. It mimics exactly what the real steel is gonna feel like. So whether you're practicing for airsoft or real steel, you're really getting a feel for the weight in your hands. Mag functions are the same, slide catch also works the same. And then even on this one, we've got the trigger safety. So you're still getting a feel for all of the functions that the real steel versions have. And if you're an airsofter, then you're just getting a little bit more discipline. I think my favorite part about training at home is that you get to set up whatever kinds of drills you want to do. Whether it's just dry fire, reloading, or peeking, you get to set it up however you'd like in the space that you have. What I like to do is take as much space in my home as I can and set up some targets. So whether I'm just dry firing and reloading, making sure that I'm always aiming at some targets adds some extra discipline. Dry firing is an effective form of training that you can use at home that teaches you how to draw, aim, and pull the trigger, all with getting an actual response. So if you fill your mags with just gas, no BBs, when you pull that trigger, your slide will actually kick back like the real steel version, and no BBs will come out. But you want to make sure that you're aiming at your target so that you're really getting the most out of your training. Alright guys, so pick up your at-home self-defense training kit and get training. Let us know in the comments what kinds of drills you're running. I'd like to try out a couple. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. We're going to be coming out with more videos. Stay tuned.